Hey guys, how you doing? I'm a stool. I'm back. Well, I have this 2007 Toyota Highlander 3.3 liter engine V6 all-wheel drive. And now I want to show you how to do the oil change in this vehicle. And after that, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Alright, more or less. Tip of the day: don't eat too much while you work, because once you're done eating, you're gonna feel sleepy. Alright, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's get to this oil change. 2007 Toyota Highlander. All right. I hope you like the video. Enjoy. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Shout out to all my people, all my followers, my fans, my haters, and estuvo Buru. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back. I hope you liked the video how to do the oil change. Yeah, so I put 5 quarts of 530 regular oil. It's not synthetic. It's up to you if you want to put synthetic oil. Alright, and that's it. Yep, pretty much. And now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset in this 2007 Toyota Highlander 3.3 liter engine. Pretty. Okay. So lame. It doesn't have a light in here, so you can see it. There it is. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, the car is dead now, shut down, right? And all we're gonna do is put it right there in the on position with this pin right here, putting right there in the ODO, in the mileage. Now you're gonna press it and hold it, press it and hold it, and then turn the key all the way to the there. Keep holding it, and then right there on again, and you're gonna see like a dash, like a multiple dashes. I'll show you in a second how it looks like once you do that. Alright, here we go. Now you can let it go. And this is how you reset the oil life in this 2007 Toyota Highlander 3.3 liter engine. I hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bang the subscribe button. Hit the like button, and the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Anything you need to say about this vehicle, put it in the comment box also. Alright, I would like to know what you think about this car. Is it reliable? You like it, and why? Alright, shout out to my people, shout out to my fans, shout out to everybody, including my haters. And I catch you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Astu Puru. Hey!